departure queue is so long. Look at that view. One of the most beautiful places I have ever been to. I'm literally wrapped like an Eskimo. So this is like overall a 4-hour cruise. Look at that snowfall. I have never walked it. It's literally such big snowflake. पीछे दिख रहा है क्या? Green green. Is it that? I see it. Alright, we are leaving Oslo temporarily. We'll be back soon. But now let's go to Tromsø. The real Arctic Circle experience is about to begin. I have to carry my own luggage, so I'll see you from the flight. This is the airlines I've booked, Scandinavian Airlines, and they have a self-service bag drop. So basically आपको वहाँ से baggage tag print करना है, kiosk पे से luggage डालना है और फिर scan करना है और चला जाएगा. चला गया मेरा suitcase. Now I'm hands free, all good to go. Boarding pass is on the phone. I can have a breakfast, but I'm already full. I ate from the villa and left the cabin. Let's go find the departures. Na security will be there. Most of the European airports have self check-in and self baggage check. ये हमने बहुत सारी countries में पहले भी किया है. So I just like to keep you all informed कि when you all come, in case you all don't understand, you all can always ask for help because Norwegians in general are very sweet. ये trip पे तो मुझे बहुत ही sweet लोग मिले. But in general, airport authority is very very helpful. So you will find helpful staff who will guide you. Like अभी भी मुझे staff नहीं करके दिया boarding pass वगैरह because language change करने kiosk पे घंटा लाता है. But otherwise you can do it yourself. It's not rocket science. And just to keep your anxiety at bay, since you're a solo traveler, if you are a solo traveler like me, this departure queue is so long. इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ मैंने कोई यूरोपियन एयरपोर्ट पे कभी नहीं देखी. Oh my god, you guys, those are the most beautiful views I've ever seen from a flight. This landing is something else. The Arctic fjords, all covered in snow. Tromsø is going to be so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Everywhere I look, everything is blanketed in snow. Can you believe we are in the Arctic Circle? Oh my god. Try and save money, इसलिए मैं बस की टिकट ली है. पूरे बस की 7 दिन का ट्रेन पास है. ये ऐप में फोटो डाल दूंगी आप लोग के लिए. ट्रेन पास नहीं, बस पास है. It's for 300 krona, which is very cheap as compared to a taxi. One taxi would cost me 300 krona और 7 दिन की जितनी भी टिकट लेनी है, जितनी भी बस राइड लेनी है, in 300 krona. So it'll save me a lot of money to just go into the city and go for all my excursions because all of my excursions are going to have a meeting point जहाँ पे मुझे जाना होगा and taxi लेती रहूँगी तो हो गया. फिर Tromsø में ही पूरा बैंक अकाउंट खाली हो जाएगा and we have 2 more cities left to explore in Norway. So I did the wise decision. I spoke to my Airbnb host about this and he told me to download this app. और वहाँ पे टिकट हो जाती है, बस की टाइमिंग्स भी दिखती है, सब कुछ convenient है with the app. This is hands down the most beautiful airport I've ever landed at. Oh my god. Can't believe this. Like snow everywhere, melted ice and धूप है तो weather भी अच्छा लग रहा है. Like I'm not even wearing gloves and I'm not freezing to death. So it's very comfortable weather. In fact, joggers के नीचे भी मैंने कुछ नहीं पहना है. Oh, ice, 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 ice. Okay, guys, I need to talk to you after I get into my bus. Let me find the bus stop. I was almost going to board that bus because that was also 42, but in a different direction. This is the direction that I have to take. आपको screen नहीं दिख रहा है. It's twinkling. Wait. Just like in any other country, buses going in 2 different directions. So you have to see on Google Maps कि कौन सा बस नंबर ही नहीं देखना, कौन सा डायरेक्शन है वो भी देखना. I climbed on the bus. I asked the guy and he said नहीं इधर से आएगी. So then I came here चुपचाप. ये मैं अकेली हूँ, ये बस स्टॉप है और सारे लोग वो बस स्टॉप है. But कोई बात नहीं, I can see the bus number. It's gonna come in 5 minutes and I've done the train pass on the Swipper app. वो app का इधर भी information दे रखा है. So it's I think their government का app only. You have to just buy the bus. Why do I keep saying train? It's the bus ticket and yeah. It's so fun. Oh my god, look at the view, you guys. Look at that view. Can you believe it? Can you freaking believe that view? We're standing at a bus stop in Norway, in Tromsø. Oh my god. With my 2 suitcases that fell down on ice. बेचारों ने बहुत देख लिया आज. कोई बात नहीं, हम सस्ता ट्रैवल करेंगे. इधर तक आना ही बहुत महंगा था. iconic bus stop. I mean, look at that view. Oh my god, it's stunning. I don't even want to move from here, but ये suitcases हालेंगे कैसे इतनी ice में? I'm even slipping on this ice. This is of course not the right footwear. I have Uggs with me in the bag, but अभी मुझे अपने Airbnb पे पहुंचना है. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. मेरा घर उधर होने वाला है, तो ये मुझे पूरा चल के जाना है. Abhi wish me luck because I have 2 suitcases. This is the cardio I didn't sign up for. But let's do it. It's so fun. I'm so excited.
One eternity later.
Watch me sweat. Sweat, literally sweat in minus degrees. ये पूरा पहाड़ चढ़ के मैं आई हूँ 2 suitcases के साथ. भाई हालत खराब हो गई. ऐसे टाइम पे मुझे रीत की याद आती है. मेरे बैग्स उठा लेता था. Finally made it to Airbnb. My heart rate is so fast right now. I lugged these 2 all the way. Can you see those tracks? That's the tracks of me struggling. The location is so nice. It's not very prime. It's not in the city center. Hopefully यहाँ से northern lights दिखेंगे. इसलिए मैं थोड़ा outskirts हो गया. Also because the city center was very expensive around this time, so I saved money. This was not that expensive. Okay, let's go inside. That's gonna be our room. That छोटू सा नीचे. Not the full house, just that room नीचे. मेरे वो सूटकेस को मैंने वहीं छोड़ दिया. I just lifted all this up and came. This is the key box code. Alright, quick tour of our Airbnb. This is the living area that has this beautiful view of the outside. It's really nice, very beautiful. The sun is setting very soon. I want to go out. You can see all the fjords over there. Itna sundar hai, even though it's on the ground floor. And look at all that fresh ice. So stunning. It's really, really comfortable for a 1-person apartment. Even if there are 2 people, I think it's very comfortable. There's a kitchenette over here. पूरा area है और फिर living room है. And there's a bedroom with good amount of wardrobe space and a nice spacious washroom where I nicely got ready abhi. So I've made myself at home with my skincare, my makeup, my suitcases all opened out, my phone charging, all that good stuff. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode Travel with Sar, where you and I, we travel together. We are in Tromsø, Norway. Look at that behind me. It is so freaking beautiful. I can't believe कि हम अकेले Arctic Circle तक पहुंच गए. Like, what is this life? I can't. This is beyond a bucket list experience for me. Although I have just come here to chase the northern lights, now that I am in Tromsø, I can tell you it is honestly hands down one of the most beautiful places I have ever been to. अगर मुझे northern lights नहीं भी दिखे ना, इंशाल्लाह दिख जाए, but नहीं भी दिखे, this is genuinely super beautiful. Like in front of me, you can see everything. You can see a water body, the Arctic Ocean is here, the fjords of Norway, the big, like look at how big that is. Okay, it's literally touching the clouds. ये आपको पूरा flight से भी, it was just blanketed in snow. It was so pretty, so much greenery, covered in snow, and that sun beautifully setting. And I'm standing outside my apartment window over here. So this is my apartment view. Honestly, इतनी ज़्यादा ठंडी नहीं है. मुझे लग रहा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होगी. The amount of layers I have carried on this trip, I did not try to do any fashion. This is my only fashionable moment. Over here, this fur वाली टोपी जो मैंने सवाना पे मंगाई थी, and I was like, oh, I want to wear this and have my Norway trip. Apart from that, I've not carried anything new. You've seen me wear these outfits before. The only reason is because I wanted to carry enough layers to not fall sick. And I am wearing like one Uniqlo thermal और उसके ऊपर ये sweater पहना है मैंने और मैं एक और jacket लूँगी. But you can see I'm not wearing gloves. I've not covered my ears and I'm pretty good. So now that I'm here, I feel like my mom and dad can also survive this cold. It's not that cold at all. इतना तो Switzerland में honestly से ज़्यादा ठंडी थी, and they can easily witness the northern lights someday, inshallah. If they come too, they can, because it is so beautiful. Because उन लोगों को लग रहा था तो उन लोगों को कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं हो पाएगी ये ठंडी, तो they did not even bucket list this place. But now that I'm here, I have done a site recce for them. Inshallah, someday we will bring my parents and come back to this destination because it is stunning. Let's go explore Tromsø. So this Airbnb that I have booked, it's a little on the outskirts. It's very on the outskirts actually. We came from Oslo, which was the southernmost part of Norway, all the way to Tromsø, which is the northernmost part of Norway. So we are at the tip of the Arctic Circle. You can see कि मेरे मुंह में से धुआं निकल रहा है when I'm talking, and that's how like cold it can get over here. So I'm going to take my precautions, take my jacket, everything, my gloves and all in a backpack, and we'll go out. The reason I chose this Airbnb a little on the outside is one, because it was cheaper. मैंने बहुत last minute bookings की, मैं literally last week अपनी bookings की. मेरा बहुत impulsive trip था, उसकी वजह से all the main area में जितना भी bookings थे सारे कुछ sold out थे, and if there were hotels available, they were freaking expensive, like 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh almost for 4 days that I'm staying here for 4 days. Very expensive, and the rooms were so tiny. They were so tiny. It was insane. insane. So I liked this Airbnb. The reviews were great and I'm glad I took this. It is a little on the outside, तो हर एक जगह जाने के लिए मुझे 1 घंटे की बस राइड करनी पड़ेगी, but it's fine. I've spaced out my trip. I'm here for 4 days and I've taken a good amount of time. मैं रोज एक जगह एक एक्टिविटी करने वाली हूँ और बहुत सारी अच्छी एक्टिविटीज मेरी planned है. So I'm very very excited for the trip. Every day I have one new exciting adventure planned in Tromso. So मेरा पूरा solo trip मैंने अच्छे से plan किया है. So I've booked everything for that. So I don't mind doing the 1 hour bus ride because this cost me 54,000 for like 4 nights away from the city and that's okay because अभी मैंने 300 रुपए का वो पास भी किया है, 300 krona का. And krona is the Norwegian currency which is actually 8 rupees something of Indian rupees. Like 1 krona is 8 rupees. But everything in Scandinavia in general is very expensive. So you want to take like precautions कि कहीं पे भी ज़्यादा ही खर्चा ना हो जाए. In Tromso, we are going to feed reindeers. We are going to go Northern Lights tour expedition पे. We are going to go skiing. Tomorrow I'm going on an Arctic fjord and maybe fishing from the cruise. तो बहुत कुछ planned है. अभी चलो. Today we will just go into the main city center. I want to understand the bus travel to the city and there's this beautiful cathedral. It's called the Arctic Cathedral. It's a very prominent spot in Tromso. सब लोग जो आते जाते ही है तो चलो वहाँ जाते हैं and we'll figure out the journey over there. So for my footwear I'm wearing Uggs. Honestly these are not the perfect snow boots because they are अंदर से woolen but ऊपर से कपड़ा है तो अगर ऊपर से snowfall हुआ भीग सकते हैं. But this is all I had, so this is what I carried with me and 2 layers of thermals inside. It's from Decathlon and Uniqlo. So that's basically where I went shopping before this trip. और मेरा जो main jacket भी आप देखोगे वो भी Decathlon से ही है. It's a very good jacket. What a good investment I made right before I left for the trip. Now let's leave before the sun sets and it gets very dark और फिर कुछ समझ भी नहीं आएगा. I'm listening to Chalte Chalte from Mohabbatein. I love listening to Yash Raj songs and going through Europe. It's my favorite part of life. This is the Arctic Cathedral. It's like a very modernistic piece of architecture and you get a really nice view of the city, also Tromso city from here. अभी dark हो रहा है, अंधेरा हो रहा है, सूरज चला गया है. It's around what 4:41. The cathedral will look pretty in the night. From here you can also take the cable car. This is also a very famous activity. मैं नहीं कर रही है. I'm going to the cathedral. This is the cathedral over here. Okay, so I'm going to put the name over here. I don't remember the exact. मुझे pronunciation नहीं आता. Fellheis cable car. ये cable car लेके it's like a gondola ride. You can go to the top. You'll get a great view of the city and you can see Northern Lights अगर आप रात का tour लोगे तो. So that will be like a cheaper way to see the Northern Lights. I have booked another tour via Head Out because I am, you know, I always travel with Head Out bookings. That's going to be a more short way to chase the Northern Lights. We'll actually be chasing. अगर नॉर्वे में नहीं दिखा तो they sometimes even take you to Sweden and Finland border cross करके to see the Northern Lights. But you can take this cable car also. It's available. I had seen it. मैंने अभी तक book नहीं किया because I didn't want to keep my itinerary super packed also. Inshallah someday I'll come back. तभी हम cable car कर लेंगे. अभी cathedral चलते हैं. I love keeping certain things undiscovered so that there's a reason for me to come back to this place. I want to bring my parents here. I want to come here with Reet. I want to do it all over again with everyone. So beautiful. Just my first day here and I'm falling in love with Norway. Like, what is this beauty, man? So underrated. यहाँ पे अपेरेंटली कॉन्सर्ट्स एंड न्यू ईयर्स ईव पार्टीज वगैरह होस्ट की जाती है. नॉट पार्टीज बट लाइक ओपरा. कैन यू सी लाइक कॉन्सर्ट्स, म्यूजिकल ओपराज. तो ऐसा दिखता है तभी. ओनली देन इट्स ऑनेस्टली वर्थ कमिंग हियर. इनसाइड की टिकट में ऐसा कुछ देखने नहीं मिल रहा है. देयर आर रैंडम फोटोज. इट्स कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन 1964 बट इट डजंट रियली हैव एनी रिलीजियस सिग्निफिकेंस ऑल्सो. इट्स अ पैरिश. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर चर्च. सो Yeah, this is the down where the toilets were. Of course, in the Arctic Circle, you feel like peeing every 10 minutes. And I'm also hydrating really well. अगर आप देखोगे मेरी आँखें भी लाल हो गई है. So that's because the dry eyes is a problem over here. I do have eye drops, but it's in the room. घर जाके I'll put. It was 80 krona to come inside. Honestly, not worth it. You can skip coming inside. Come to the location, but don't need to come inside. Come to this location and enjoy the views because the views are stunning. You can skip on going inside if you want to save 80 krona. आपने जो अंदर देखा इतना कुछ खास था नहीं. But yeah, the views over here, stunning, really stunning. Arctic Cathedral तो इतना कुछ खास मुझे लगा नहीं, but on the way over here in the bus I saw this bus stop called Vito, like WITO, and बहुत ही lit bus stop था. मतलब उधर सुपरमार्केट था, बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स थे एंड एलीज थे, बहुत ऐसा मतलब हसल बसल एकदम चहल पहल जो मेन सिटी जैसा वाइब दे रहा था. सो आई थॉट कि वो बस स्टॉप पे जाते हैं अभी बस लेके. क्रूजेस तो मुझे बहुत सही सही क्रूजेस दिख रही है एंड टुमारो वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गो इन अ क्रूज, सो वील गेट टू सी ऑल द फियॉर्ड्स अप क्लोज फ्रॉम द क्रूज. नाउ I will take bus number 24 and go to Vito. वहाँ कुछ अर्ली डिनर करके I'll take some groceries. तो वो groceries फिर मैं रूम पे अगर भूख लगी तो खा सकती हूँ और कल सुबह नाश्ता भी कर सकती हूँ. Tomorrow I have to leave at 11 o'clock so that I reach on time for the meeting point of the cruise. That's booked on head out. वो सब मैं आपको घर जाके बताती हूँ. Vito is definitely a very busy bus stop. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ से चढ़ रहे हैं एंड देख रहे हो आप, मैं जो आप लोगों को बोल रही थी एकदम सुंदर है. यूरोपियन सिटी वाइब पूरा दे रहा है. दिस इज द नेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन Vito. And it has so many things happening. There's a McDonald's also over here. There are stores and there's a Burger King right down the street. Yeah, let's just walk and then grab something to eat over here. There's an Asian house. We can have sushi, but let's eat something else. Tromsø is very well known for its seafood because they have the big Arctic Ocean over here. They have great seafood. This street is reminding me of the street that we lived on in the Paris vlog first time जब हम गए थे. Forgot the name of that street. Oh my god, that was my favorite street. How could I forget? वो मेरी favorite थी. मैं 31st की night गोपाली जानवी को भी उधर ही लेके गई थी खाना खाने के लिए. That street was exactly like this, just lamps and restaurants, lamps and restaurants. There's a Italian place over here, Milano, Tromsø, pizza, kebab, grill. This place looks really nice. I think mostly I'm gonna eat over there. That place called Solid looks really good. But let's walk down the street and see what else is there. मुझे इतनी भूख तो है नहीं वैसे. There are other places also to eat in this street. I really like how this place is buzzing with so many people. I love that. Like it's not just couple. As a solo traveler, that's of course very bugging, but this place is lit with a lot of other people. This place looks nice too. Check the menu. पहले menu check कर लेने का if you like the food or if you can afford it. Okay, this is hot mulled wine. It's non-alcoholic and it's a specialty in Norway. So let's try this out. This is so flavorful. It's actually so warm. Garam hai. It has a lot of spices, so it's tasting very nice. This place is really nice. I like the vibe. It's cozy and small. Actually came at the perfect time. अभी भर गया है पूरा रेस्टोरेंट. अभी जगह ही नहीं है इधर बैठने के लिए. They're very slow with their service. Like they don't care about the moving people fast. Which I like. This burger looks so good, so good. My first proper Norwegian meal. Got off at the bus stop and it's eerily quiet over here. So I have my night walk partner with me all the way from Assam. They can't hear you because you're connected to headphones. I'm literally wrapped like an Eskimo. इतनी ठंडी है नहीं. Luckily हवा नहीं है. It is -1, but हवा नहीं है. तो but I don't want to take any chances of falling sick. So I'm covered my ear, my neck. Only my hands are bare. उस पर ठंडी लग रही है. Reached the Airbnb.
The next day.
It's snowing all night. It has been snowing. I woke up at 8 a.m. and I'm so scared to go out. Abhi -2 ho rakha hai. Can you see those snowflakes falling? Like this very, very tiny ones. Look at that. So tiny and oh my god, आज धूप ही नहीं है. कल God blessed me with sun and like lower temperatures, but there is no sunlight today and it's snowing, so I am so scared to go out. But we have a cruise to attend in the Arctic Ocean, so I'm gonna layer up. कल मैंने 2 layers अंदर नीचे और ऊपर किया था and my one jacket. So today I'll do 3 layers because it's -2 with no sun. So I'll do 3 layers down, 3 layers up. Yesterday I bought this new scarf from that souvenir store which we saw in Vito. I bought this new scarf. It's so soft. It's really really soft. It's overpriced for sure. यहाँ पे fridge magnets भी इतने ज़्यादा महंगे. I bought my fridge magnets. I bought all that. Total my bill came out to 900 krona. So like so expensive for just like basic stuff. But इसके बाद मैं कुछ shopping नहीं करने वाली because this is like you have to get fridge magnets. So how will my fridge know that I came to Norway? We know that. So बाल इधर एकदम ज़्यादा greasy हो जाते हैं because it's dry weather, right? So your scalp is constantly trying to hydrate and there's no point in washing. I can have a bath because अंदर बहुत अच्छी warmth है and this गर्म पानी है और I can have a bath. I probably will also tonight just to keep my scalp healthy. But right now I want to go out. Scalp is a little itchy. Also I've bought dry shampoo, so I'll dry shampoo my hair and I'll make it like अभी तो सब beanie weenie सब आज सब कुछ ही लेना पड़ेगा. Beanie, वो कान का, earmuff, everything I'll have to take because it's cold outside. Like I'm planning my layers, which color layer, because I've carried whites and blacks, so there's no other color in thermals. So I'm planning कि कौन सी layers कैसे पहनूं and let me do all that math and then I'll be right. I'm back, makeup done and I've layered up a little bit. I have to layer up a little more before I exit because धूप आ गई है but फिर भी it's very cloudy and super snowy. Today we are going for an Arctic fjord cruise. So we are going to be in the outdoors all the time, which is why I don't want कि सर्दी लग जाए मुझे. So I'm going to layer up as much as possible and even carry backup accessories like gloves and beanie and everything in my backpack. You all know whenever Travel with Sarah is happening, Head Out is my go-to application to book experiences. फिर चाहे वो US में Grand Canyon क्यों ना हो, फैमिली ट्रिप में पेरिस एंड स्विट्जरलैंड घूमना क्यों ना हो, हर एक चीज हमने हेड आउट के साथ एक्सप्लोर की है बिकॉज आई लव देयर डे ट्रिप्स. दे हैव द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस ओवर देयर, लिस्टेड, वेरी वेरीफाइड एंड कभी भी उसके साथ मतलब मेरा बुरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा ही नहीं है. व्हाटएवर डे ट्रिप आई हैव बुक्ड दे हैव ऑल बीन अमेजिंग. यू गेट टू मीट सो मेनी न्यू पीपल एंड एज अ सोलो ट्रैवलर आई लव दैट बिकॉज ग्रुप ट्रिप में जाऊंगी तो आई गेट टू मीट अदर पीपल ऑल्सो. खुद से चली जाऊंगी तो इवन दो माई डे इज पैक्ड, आई डोंट नो, आई माइट गेट बोर्ड समटाइम्स, बट दिस वे आई गेट टू मीट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. व्हेन आई हैड गॉन टू पेरिस also I had done a lot of day trips with Head Out. Also this becomes very economical because you know that day you are spending that money only जिस दिन आपने वो day trip book किया. So this Arctic Fjord cruise actually is very popular on Head Out for whale watching. Whale watching season is from November to January if I'm not wrong in Norway and it's very popular, but I have come in March तो अभी whale watching नहीं होगा, but still they'll take you in the cruise and you'll get to see all the fjords around. I don't know आज कितना दिखेगा because बहुत ज़्यादा cloudy है, snowfall है, but you get to see like Arctic fjords in the Arctic Ocean. You'll be in the Arctic Ocean. That is exciting and it's snowing also today. Since I'm the creator ambassador for Head Out, you as my Sarah squad, whoever are fellow content creators are going to get an amazing opportunity. You'll have chances to win the iPhone 16 Pro Max if you have a public profile on YouTube, TikTok or Instagram and you have above 3,000 followers. So all you have to do is share content and tag Head Out, like travel content with experiences from Head Out or similar experiences that you have had. You can tag Head Out. There's going to be a link in the description box. All you have to do is go on the link, sign up and then start creating content. This is going to be an unlimited earning potential for my content creators out there. So all you have to do is sign up and then create content. Like आप Instagram stories डालो या YouTube पे post डालो, Instagram पे reel बना के डालो, Head Out से related, Head Out को tag कर देना और hashtag Head Out for creators use करना. फिर आप links भी share कर सकते हो वो experiences के. And with this you will get qualified to be a part of the program. This is a great opportunity for you, especially if you're a travel and lifestyle creators. Don't miss out on this. it's -2 degrees, but मैं इसलिए बाहर आई हूँ इतने कपड़ों में. Just want to check if I've layered correctly. I want to stay here, witness the snowfall, enjoy it, dance a little, and just like मेरे दिमाग में ना सिर्फ काजोल का जरा सा झूम लूं मैं अरे नारी नारी ना जरा सा घूम लूं मैं अरे नारी ना. That is all that's playing in my head. I am loving it. इतनी ज़्यादा snowfall में मैं जी पा रही हूँ. I never thought that was possible. Okay, I thought winters are not for me, cold places are not for me. I only thrive at the beach, but that's not the case. This proves that that is not the case. I'm loving it. अभी इसके ऊपर तो जैकेट भी आएगा and I'll be sorted. I'm good. I'm wearing 2 layers शॉल हेड मफ सर को प्रोटेक्टेड रखना है. चलो जैकेट पहन के क्रूज पे चलते हैं. फुल्ली पैक्ड एंड मूविंग अहेड. पूरा रास्ता जो कल रोड था वो अभी इट्स कवर्ड इन स्नो. आई डोंट थिंक टैक्सीज आर आल्सो प्रॉपर्ली प्लायबल इन दिस. आई डोंट नो बसेस कैसे चलती है बट बसेस इन ट्रोम्सो सो गुड, सो वेल कनेक्टेड. नाउ मुझे मीटिंग पॉइंट पे जाना है ऑफ दैट क्रूज एंड दैट्स अ 45 मिनट बस राइड विच इज स्टैंडर्ड फ्रॉम माई Airbnb. सब कुछ ले लिया है मैंने. अपने साथ एक एक्स्ट्रा थर्मल्स भी ले लिया क्योंकि रात हो जाएगी वापस आते आते. वाह आज कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है सामने. कल इतनी विजिबिलिटी थी. अच्छा हुआ कल आई केम एंड द सन वाज आउट. इफ आई वुड हैव कम इन दिस क्लाइमेट थोड़ी डर जाती मैं. But I'm surviving and I'm happy and I love it. Until you put yourself in these situations ना you'll never know कि आप कितने काबिल हो. Like मैं अनजान कंट्री में किसी को नहीं जानती हूँ. यहाँ पे अकेली एक Airbnb में रह रही हूँ. एक्सपीरियंसेस पे जा रही हूँ. Like the little Sarah would have never thought this would be even possible, you know. Like मैं छोटी थी तभी एक यूरोप ट्रिप हमारे नसीब में था और वो भी हम वो टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल से करने वाले थे. उसमें भी वीज़ा कैंसिल हो गया था. तभी जब कैंसिल हुआ था हम इतने दुखी हुए थे. बट अल्लाह पाक he knew के this is not your time to go to Europe. You will go someday and you'll explore it at your pace. And today Europe is one of my most explored countries and one of my favorite countries. And I get Schengen visas for one year. And that little Sarah whose Schengen visa got cancelled और उसका dream family Europe trip cancel हो गया था would never have thought this would be life one day. Mashallah, I'm just so grateful. Alhamdulillah, I'm just so grateful. Like I can't. And this is what I wanted. I wanted to just get out and but I slipped. Oh nice. I'll walk on other people's footsteps. There are other people's footsteps. I'll walk on those. Okay, let me reach the bus stop. This was my bus stop, Nerstrada, and अब मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. It's just 11:40. The meeting point पे I have to go at 12:40. जो यहाँ से सिर्फ 3 मिनट दूर है. So I thought I'll eat something. This is a really nice area. There's so much to do over here. Lots of restaurants in this area. I'm super hungry, so I will eat something before my meeting point. I have 1 hour. That looks like the cruise, but that's huge. This is my meeting point. That's the name of the company, Brim Explorer. This is the cruise ship, I think, because it has the same name. गोल गोल घूम के आर्कटिक सर्कल में मेरे को H&M दिख गया. This looks like a mall and H&M must be a part of that. We don't need to do any shopping. We need to find the cruise. The man in that ship said that we have to go to the next boat. So I'm going, following all these people. To walk on ice is so difficult. You can slip anytime. There are Aurora dinner cruises also where you can chase the northern lights and have a meal. But I haven't booked that. I've just booked a regular cruise. That's also available on Head Out, by the way. Finally the sun is out. आज पूरा दिन धूप निकली नहीं है. अभी क्रूज रुक गई है एट अ फिशिंग फैसिलिटी और ये फिशिंग फैसिलिटी का टूर हमको करवाएंगे. सो दिस इज लाइक ओवरऑल a 4-hour cruise with this fishing facility tour. When I'll come with Reet, I told Reet we'll go scuba diving in the Arctic Ocean. That could be a different bucket list altogether.
Beginning of April, the people who own this place, it's still active. They will go fishing. They will go out with their fishing boats and they will mainly catch Atlantic cod. It's one of the main fishes that we have here. And what they will do is they will bring them back on land. They will cut off the heads and get the inner parts out, and then they hang 2 fish on their tails around these wooden structures you can see here. I often get the question, doesn't it smell? It does smell, of course. It's fish, it's fresh fish. But the purpose of this is to dry it just by air. So it's not treated or anything, it's just the air that is drying it.
The water is so clear, you can see all the sea urchins under. It's very rich. Even those rafts over there are for sea urchin farming. Very famous in Norway. Look at those sea urchins. I had seen them in Andaman underwater, but they were much bigger. Or maybe these are bigger underwater. So many, oh my god. There's a submarine over there. Look at that. Crazy. It's a military submarine. Spotted a seal. Yeah, went inside. There was a seal over there. What a vast ocean.
1 hour later.
I'm done with the cruise and I just entered this mall. मैं थोड़ा sushi ले रही हूँ room के लिए because रात को भूख लगेगी dinner के लिए. This I think is perfect for my dinner. How much? $269. Okay, we have some dinner packed for the room. Let's also see. Should I get another bottle of water? I do have one and tap water is good, so I don't need. I want to try a new soda over here. What is this? Is there a soda? Ooh, Prime. The sparkling lemonade looks good. Let's get this. आज पूरा दिन स्नोफॉल और बारिश और बहुत सारा आइस रहा है. बट नाउ दैट्स पोस्ट सनसेट द स्काई इज सो प्रिटी एंड द प्लेस इज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल. स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ अ फेरी टेल. This was the mall I was inside. इसके अंदर से I got some sushi and some lemonade. Lots of like shopping centers inside too. I don't want to shop. Look at this. Just look at this street. How picturesque. The bus is pretty busy around this time. It's full. You guys, are you looking at that snowfall? It's crazy. It's insane. Look at that snowfall. I have never walked it. It's literally such big snowflakes. मैं लिटरली अकेली हूँ ये पूरी स्ट्रीट पे कोई भी नहीं है. I can't believe I'm walking alone in the street with so much snowfall. And the snowflakes all like मैं पूरी covered हूँ snow में. So much snowfall, and there's a northern lights forecast also for tonight, so we're gonna stay up and hope for the best. दुआ करेंगे इंशाल्लाह आज रात को ही देखने मिल जाए. Look at that snowfall. वैसे तो बहुत cloudy है, so I don't know अगर मिलेगा, but forecast तो है. Okay, I'm fully dressed again. मैंने मेकअप वगैरह निकाल दिया है, and there was a notification from my Aurora app, like I told you all, कि there is a chance of viewing probability of the northern lights, and it says like right now it's saying that it is 81% to 95%. There is a full blown chance that room के पीछे I'll get a chance. So I had already messaged my Airbnb host कि ये एरिया से दिखेगा क्या, and she told me कि हमारे Airbnb के पीछे there's a jungle and उधर दिख सकता है. So oh my god, I am dressed to go out. I am taking my camera also with me. I bought my camera for this trip. पहली बार मैं कैमरा के साथ like मेरे DSLR के साथ travel कर रही हूँ, so that if we get to see, I will show it to you guys through this camera. I am very excited because this is literally the reason that I have come. शायद ना भी हो, पता नहीं, अभी देखते हैं. Okay, let's go out. Let's not waste any more time. I have no idea what they look like. I have never seen them. I don't know how to capture them. I don't know anything. But let's go behind the room. Okay, so if you're wondering कि Northern Lights tour क्यों book किया, अगर इधर से दिख जाएगा, ऐसी कोई guarantee नहीं है कि कब दिखेगा, क्या probability है, everything. All that I'll explain to you at the end of the vlog because it's a natural phenomena, right? You have to chase it, literally chasing it since India में इधर आई हूँ. Room की चाबी है, मैं jacket को zip up कर देती हूँ. Let's go and see दिखते हैं कि नहीं. मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं कि दिखेंगे भी कि नहीं. And that's one advantage कि मैं city side नहीं रुकी हूँ. If you stay in the city, then बहुत light pollution होता है तो शायद नहीं दिखे आपको. आज रात को पूरी साइटिंग का पूरा फोरकास्ट तो है. अभी नहीं तो रात के 10 बजे भी दिख सकता है. मून दिख रहा है. I'm just gonna walk सीधा सीधा. पीछे दिख रहा है क्या ग्रीन ग्रीन? Oh my god. Is it? Is it that? Oh my goodness. आप लोग को पहले दिख रहा है ना? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It is very cloudy tonight इसलिए ऐसा दिख रहा है. Oh my. Let's go back in the forest and see. Snowfall है अभी भी थोड़ी थोड़ी. आज actually काफी cloudy है. Aurora Borealis is definitely there, but the cloud coverage is so much. इतना ज़्यादा cloudy है कि इतना clearly नहीं दिख रहा है. Plus इधर ये lamp भी है तो there's some amount of light pollution. You have to be in complete darkness to get the glory of it, like एकदम glorious वाला aurora. I think the cloud coverage is a lot tonight. ये ऐप के हिसाब से at 9 PM the cloud coverage will become 50%. So I will try again at 9 PM. फिर उसके बाद वापस 10 बजे बहुत cloudy होने वाला है. So let's give it a shot at 9 PM and see if we can see. ठंडी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. हाँ देखो clouds हिल रहे हैं. The clouds are moving. If the clouds become less by 9 PM, should be able to see better. Since it's a natural phenomenon, there's a lot of things that are dependent on it. It's all based on the solar activity. So cloud coverage, snowfall, weather, हर चीज़ determine करती है. इसलिए वो Northern Lights के जो tours होते हैं ना वो आपको एकदम extreme जगह पे जाके लेके जाते हैं जहाँ पे बिल्कुल light pollution ना हो और clouds ना हो वगैरह. तो I have heard आज मुझे लोग बोल रहे थे in the Arctic cruise who have already done the tour that they went for 7 hours they were on the tour और फिर जाके उनको दिखे Northern Lights एकदम clear the aurora and its full glory. Since the app said कि आज probability है, I was like let's not miss a chance because there's a chance that you will go on that tour and still not see the Northern Lights. So अभी इधर तक आए देखने के लिए तो जो भी chance मिले देख लो.
More moments later.
You guys, I see it. I see it. अभी 9 बज रहे and clouds have become lesser. It's right in front of me. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. What the hell? It's actually so clearly visible even through so much light pollution. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna end Chomso's first vlog right here. Last night I definitely saw the Aurora Borealis, like the mildest amount. There was definitely very high solar activity because मैंने जो app download किया, Aurora app, this is the app you should download. It constantly gives you forecast and it was constantly beeping that there's like a 95% chance. So the sky was just super cloudy. और कैमरा पे बहुत clearly दिख रहा था. आप लोगों को जितना clearly दिख रहा था उतना आँखों को clearly नहीं दिख रहा था. Today the sky is really clear. I'm going to go on a proper Northern Lights tour that I've booked with Head Out and I'm excited for that. So that takes you like in a very secluded spot, एकदम ठंडी की जगह पे, like literally -30 भी हो सकता है वहाँ पर. And there they make you like sit and campfire and वहाँ पे the aurora activity might be really high. So here's hoping inshallah that I get to see that today. It's of course all on the forecast. It's a natural phenomena. So हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. You don't really know. You really have to chase the Northern Lights and go to a spot where the activity is happening. Plus it's like not that light polluted, plus the cloud and the sky is clear. So you never know. Okay, I just hope I get to see it in all its glory today. But I got very happy even seeing that mild activity last night. आज का दिन भी बहुत exciting है. अभी मैं skiing जा रही हूँ, cross country skiing, और फिर रात को I'm going to go for the Northern Lights tour. So this all will come in the next vlog. If you are interested, continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Everything about the Head Out collaboration that my fellow content creators can be a part of is going to be in the description box. So definitely check it out. For today's video, Saras shout goes to AggieShoe02. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next week's Saras shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also, comment down below saying #SarahSquad and chance to watch my next video, Sarah Squad Shot. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you.